Hello everyone, welcome to the video. This is day 27 of JavaScript 30 channel. In today's video, we are going to make a speed controller, video speed controller for our browser. So we are going to use our default video player of our browser, and we have added a different bar that can actually control our video playback speed with our mouse move. So let's see how can we make this. For making this, we have our starter code here. In our starter code, we have a div container which has the class called wrapper. Then we have a video element, and we have a div container with class speed, that is our speed controller, and inside that we have another div container which is our speed bar. So I'm going to take all this in our script. So I'm going to take our video here. Video has the class of flex. Then I'm going to take the div container of speed. Then I'm going to take the speed bar also. So I have taken all those. Then I will add a event listener on speed. That will be our mouse move. I will add an arrow function here and pass our event here. Now what I have to do is basically change the height of the bar based on our mouse move. So let's track our mouse move at first. If I go to the console, then if I print our event, you can see we are getting an event. Let's see the event. In our event, we have a page Y and page X that actually indicate the coordinate of our mouse cursor. So I'm going to use Y equal to e dot page Y, right? Then I should actually print Y here. So I'm actually printing the Y coordinate of our mouse cursor. Now if you see the output from here, so we are getting actually 13, but we are at the top of the bar. So basically it is actually calculating the position from the top. So I have to actually subtract these dot offset top. What offset top will provide? Offset top value will be the distance from the top to this bar. Now let's see if it is working. So let's see. So it is not actually working. I think this is not mentioned here. So I will use a normal function so that there is this option. Now if you see when I'm at the top of the bar, it is actually saying 0, and if I go to the bottom is 407. That's a random value. Okay, now we have our Y. Now we will calculate our percentage constant. Percentage equal to Y divided by this dot offset height. So what offset height will say, let's see. what offset height will give. So I will console dir this. If I console dir this, it will give us a div class with speed, and here we have a attribute called height. There should be an attribute called height. Sorry, that is offset height. Yes, there is offset height. So I'm actually calculating the total height of this bar. So offset height will give us the calculation. Now we have our percentage. Let's console log the percentage. Let's see, we are getting the percentage here. If we go to the top, that is 0.00, and if I actually go to the bottom of the bar, it is almost 1. So I have to make it a round value equal to percentage into 100. I'm multiplying it with 100 so that make it 100%. Now I'm going to take math dot round to get a round value. Let's print the value. Also I will add a string with percent. Now you can see an output, string output that has a percent. Now I'm going to change the height of this speed bar with this value. Let's take that bar dot style dot height equal to value. Let's see the output. It is not actually working. The problem is I have added I have added bar here, but it should be speed bar. Now it should work. Let's see. Wow, it is now actually working. As you can see with our mouse move, it is actually working. Now I have to change the text of this one, right? You can see the text at the top of our bar. So that text is actually inside our speed bar class. So bar dot inner text equal to, I have to actually add our percentage. So if I add our percentage, it will actually give a value from 0 to 99 or 0 to 1, but I don't want that. I want a minimum value of 0.4, and I want a maximum value of 4. Now I'm going to multiply it with our max minus min and wrap it with a parenthesis, then add our x, small x. Let's see the output. It is actually working, but it is showing a lot of value, but I will make it too fixed. Sorry, too fixed, and make it 2 decimal point. Now see the output. It is going from 0.4 to 3.4. Okay, cool, it is now working. I should add a sorry I should add our minimum value here. Now it will work fine. 0.4 to our value 4. Now it is working. Now the final task is actually the controlling the actual video uh, playback speed. To do that, I'm going to remove this and add video dot it should be our video dot playback rate equal to our percentage. Let's see the output. We should not control our playback speed with this percentage. Basically we have to use this one. Let's collect this. I will add another variable that will be called playback equal to this. Now I will add playback. I will also add two fixed in that. So what two fixed actually returns? Let's see the return value of two fixed. I think it will return a string. Sorry, console log type of playback. Let's actually comment this one. Now if I inspect and go to the console, so this is actually returning an string. So we should not use two fixed here, we should use our two fixed to here. So now it is a number and we can add our number here, playback. Now it should actually work. Let's see. I think it is not working. Let's see the problem. The problem is we had used capital B here, but it should be small b. Now let's check the output. You can see it is now actually working. So that's it for today. Everything I have coded here will be in my GitHub repository, and repository link will be in my description below. You can check that out, and if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching.